What's going on, everyone? I'm back here with another unboxing video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Moshi USB-C charge cable with LED indicators on it. So I picked this up from the B&H Photo website for about $24 with free shipping. Not a bad deal, really. And really the main reason I got this is specifically for the LED indicators. Because as we all know, the new MacBook Pros, basically every one of the MacBooks, the MacBook 12-inch, the 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Pros, and all of those do not have little power charging indicator lights on the cable that it comes with. As we all know, the previous version of the MacBook Pros that used MagSafe had this little LED indicator on it to let you know when it was charging and when it was done charging. So that is something that got removed, but this charging cable right here adds that functionality back, which is super nice. This can also be used with other devices that are USB-C enabled, so it doesn't have to be just used with a MacBook. You could use it with a USB-C enabled smartphone, a tablet, a desktop computer, even whatever have you that needs to be charged. You can use this cable and it'll show you the charging status with the little light, which is awesome. So on the back here, one thing to note about this particular cable, for some of you this might be a deal breaker, but it does support up to 60 watts of power output, which is really good. But the caveat here is if you're going to use this cable specifically for data transfer, it's only going to give you USB 2.0 data transfer speed. So it's going to give you a significantly slower speed than if you were going to use a USB 3.0 cable. So yeah, that is one thing to keep in mind if you're going to buy this cable. Just make sure that you are aware of that, and if you're going to be using this for data, that it's not going to give you the fastest transfer speeds that you might come to expect from a different one. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got kind of going on in here. So let's go ahead and pull this. That is the warranty card. Okay, so let's pull this out. Alright, so there we are. And basically, that's it. The packaging is super simple. All that's really in here is the cable itself. And it is 6.5 feet in length, so you got a pretty decent amount of length to it. But yeah, it is a USB male to USB male connection. And both ends have LED indicators on it on both sides. So no matter which way you plug this cable in, you'll always have a little LED indicator light on it. So let's go ahead and give a quick demonstration of kind of how this cable is going to work. So first and foremost, you just need to plug the first end of the cable into your power adapter that's plugged into your wall. And then once you do that, you can then just plug the other end into whatever device you're wanting to charge, in this case a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and you should see the little LED indicator light up. And there we go. As you can see right there, the little light is amber colored, letting you know the computer is now being charged. And then when the computer is done charging, that little LED light will turn green, just like before with the MagSafe adapter, or MagSafe charger. So really, really nice. Considering the price, the cable itself is actually really good quality. It feels like an Apple certified cable, which it is. It is MFI certified, so it's not a cheap knockoff, which is really good. You do want to steer clear of cheap knockoff USB-C cables because those could indeed damage your electronics and devices. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Now, I will put a link in the description to this cable if you guys are interested. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right down below. It is greatly appreciated. Hit that thumbs up button as well. That is also much, much appreciated. And if you guys have any questions or comments of such, drop them below and I'll get back to them as soon as I possibly can. So yeah, with that all being said, hope you guys have enjoyed once again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.